There is so much ground to cover. Whether it takes 1 day or 2 will depend on speed. And Gaia taking the most direct route to the next waterhole. There's no margin for error now. So many new wonders for the young ones to see on their first safari. Jomo's been starved for playmates on this long trek. He would love to play with this cute little cheetah cub. But maybe not while Mom's around. At last, an encouraging sign. Carmine bee-eaters nest near rich insect life so they can feed their chicks. It's a sign to Gaia that the herd must be getting close to water. Yesterday was a reminder of death, but today the air is alive, and they can feel it in their giant bones. There's definitely water here. Make way, everybody! There's a time for sharing, but when elephants need to drink, it's survival of the biggest. Jomo's found some playmates. Warthogs. They look like fun. First, he's gotta wait till his mom's not looking. And there he goes. Time for some hide and seek. The warthogs don't seem to be into this. Looks like he's switching to tag. These pigs are way too fast for him. Jomo would chase animals all day if he could. Except for that one. The one animal that won't move for an elephant is a buffalo. Not moving. Jomo's actually pretty brave. When he's with his mom. Shawnee skims the freshest water off the top, which usually works. But this water has been ruined by animals waiting and doing who knows what else in it. No drinkable water. But at least this oasis comes with its own small Mopani woodland. Elephants love Mopani, and its leaves contain at least some water. An elephant can eat 600 pounds of leaves and branches in a day. That's the equivalent of 2,500 cheeseburgers. But they have a fierce competitor for these leaves, and it's in a whole other league. Mopani worms can eat twice their body weight of leaves in a day. They're the caterpillar of the emperor hawk moth and can devastate hundreds of miles of forest. These critters can't be chased off. They are rivals to be reckoned with. A few worms must get eaten by mistake. Yeah, elephants are herbivores, but a little extra protein never hurt anyone. You get 'em, Jomo. The biggest land animal on Earth, chased off by a very hungry caterpillar. This decimated woodland has nothing for them now. But where next? Deep in her memory, Gaia knows. It's a place many of them have never been before. And getting there will test their faith in Gaia. The largest salt pan in Africa stretches out in front of them. It's vast, brutal, and looks impossible to cross. The ancient trails lead to a fantastical place. An island that rises from the salt like a mirage. But this island is very real and offers a surprising lifeline for travelers. Baobab trees. Their swollen trunks are full of water that was stored months ago during the rainy season. Gaia hopes the sap will keep her family alive for the second stage of the salt pan crossing. It's the only water for 200 miles. Gaia found the island, but it's Shawnee who teaches the younger elephants what to do with the baobabs. She rips open the thick bark so Jomo and the little ones can reach the moisture stored beneath. The shape of these trees on the horizon must have been a sign of salvation for generations of weary elephants. And beneath their boughs, bed.